welcome to Mama's channel. And Khushi and me is today again there for this vlog, and today is something special for us. Today is Samar Dasami, and it's a festival we do in Eastern India, and this is a puja we do for God Sun सूर्य देवता के लिए एंड बच्चों के लिए करा जाता है ये. और वी ऑफर favorite foods or food for kids in front of him, and then we do some special food also, and which I'm going to share in this vlog. Today मैं जा रही हूँ जैसे सांभर एंड वड़ा. It's like easy to cook and very tasty also, and I hope you are going to enjoy this vlog also. And the climate is very good over here. It's sunny. एंड खुशी रेडी है उसके बेल और घंटी के साथ पूजा करने के लिए. सो यो घंटी पूजा, शो हाउ यू डू दैट. Oh no, I told you to show that the bell, how you do this bell in front of God like this. Friends, अभी जैसे सूर्य को पानी पहले देना होता है, and we don't have balcony in our apartment, so I will put this water in name of sun to tree plants. Like I have pots and I will put the water in that only, and so I'm going to do that now. Om Shujaya Namaha. And I will offer some foods for my kids in front of Surya Devata. Welcome to my kitchen. As I said you before, I'm going to show you how to make vada sambar. I mean sambar vada, and for that I have soaked this urad dal overnight, and now I'm going to make a thick paste from it, and then I will show what to make and how to make. So let's start with our recipe. And if you have air fryer also, you can use the air fryer to fry the vada. Otherwise you can fry as usual. So I'm going to do the paste now. जो पेस्ट आप जब बना रहे हो, you can add ginger and chili also. Chili बच्चे खाएंगे, इसलिए मैं जैसे जो तीखा नहीं है, जो नॉन तीखा जो बोलते हैं ना चिली मिलता है, उसको मैं 1 या 2 डालूंगी, and I will grind it together. Friends, अभी मेरा बैटर रेडी है. It's a thick batter only. So now I'll transfer into another bowl and start frying it. And before frying it, I'll keep it aside for 10 minutes so the fluffy thing will be good. If you keep after grinding for few minutes, the vada will be fluffy. So then meanwhile I will cut onions. I'll chop the onions, and so I can add into the batter. While I'll cut the onion into small pieces and I'll add into the batter. Friends, batter सब रेडी है, और जैसे मैंने chopped onion हो गया है, and I will add into the batter before frying it. एंड आपको एक बात बताना है, सजेशन भी, आप जितना बैटर ग्राइंड करने के बाद बाहर यू विल कीप इट फॉर हाफ एन आवर और मोर देन 10 minutes. द वड़ा विल बी वेरी फ्लफी एंड क्रिस्पी ऑल्सो. And then I want to start my sambar recipe, and I will show how I make sambar in pressure cooker, and it's very easy and tasty also. जैसे तड़का नहीं देना पड़ेगा, उसके बाद दाल बॉईल नहीं करना पड़ेगा. Some people they used to do separately. First they used to boil the dal, then vegetables. At a time I will do like 1 pot sambar recipe. I'm going to show you now. So let's start now with the sambar recipe. First we'll add 1 tablespoon of oil. Then I will add this cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon. Then 2 red chili. Just break it and put. Then I will add chopped onions, and if you want this green spicy, it's okay, it's optional for more spicy sambar, but I will add little, my kids are going to eat, so less only. It's not that much spicy, the green chili. Then I will add tomato, chopped tomato. Then I will add crushed garlic and mix it well. Then I will add all the vegetables and mix it well. And I forgot to say, you can add brinjal if you like it. जैसे भिंडी को मैंने वॉश करके पहले से ही ड्राई करके रखा है, तो I will add all the vegetables together and mix it well for 1 minute nearly. देन मैंने ये तुअर दाल को सोक करके वॉश करके रखा है, सो आई विल ऐड द तुअर दाल इनटू इट नाउ. It's a one pot sambar recipe like, and I have found no difference in my this recipe. It's really very tasty. You can try by yourself. And then I will mix it well. एक कप से थोड़ा ज़्यादा उड़द दाल लीजिएगा तो वो थिकनेस में अच्छा आएगा सांभर में. After that I will add the water, 2 cups, 2 to 3 cups according to your amount. So दाल भी रह गया था इसमें, I will just pour everything into that. The water level, then add more if you want, then mix it well. इसके बाद I will add 1 teaspoon of salt and turmeric as per your taste also you can add, and mix it well. Then finally I am going to add sambar masala of sambar powder. Then stir it well and close the lid after few minutes of boiling. Then wait for 1 or 2 whistles. Then your sambar is ready. And I will add in this salt and ghee if you have ajwain powder, and chopped down, and mix it well. Sambar is also on the flame now. oil has heated, I will start frying now. You have to fry the vada till golden brown color for crispiness, and if you want to fry medium like color also, it's fine, but it should cook from inside also, so we have to cook it properly. So I suggest mostly when it turns golden brown, you stop frying the vadas. The vada is perfectly cooked now. I will take out from the oil, and I will show now how you can eat vada and sambar in a bowl. See, so friend, my sambar is ready now, and I am going to shove in one plate, bowl, to enjoy the vada sambar together. See guys, it's almost well cooked, and the vegetables is also not mixed. It's well done. It smells cooked well, and after releasing the pressure, like you can boil for a few seconds and serve hot. In a clear bowl, I'll just first pour 1 scoop or 2 scoop of sambar. Then I will add vada to it. So when the person will eat, it will dip inside, and little bit with help of spoon they will just dip the vada, and they can enjoy vada sambar together. चलो फ्रेंड्स, मेरा तो बड़ा सांभर हो गया है, एंड वी आर गोइंग टू एंजॉय, and I hope you are going to try this recipe. If you like my recipe, don't forget to hit the like button, and also subscribe my channel for more videos. Till then, I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.